All right, I'm back with the, I got the speakers on the Pi1541, so I wanted to make a little video showing what it sounds like. I was a little disappointed. I was kind of thinking it was going to be, you know, full sound emulation, but it's not. It's just the stepper motor simulation. And when I first started doing it, it's set up to just beep, just a plain beep. And that's just not cool. But in the options file on the SD card, you can get in there and mess with the frequency and the duration a little bit. So I've got it to where it sounds more, at least to me, it sounds more like a little rattle than it did just a plain beep. So I'm gonna load up the D64 image, and you can hear it, it'll make a noise when I load it up. Okay, now I'm going to load the program, and you can hear it that way too. All right, that's it. So like I said, it's not, you know, full drive sound emulation by any means, but the programming's still in development. So maybe, you know, they'll kick it up and make some other sounds. Maybe somebody else will step in and add them to it. But you know, it's pretty cool little feature. All right.